The central government cannot indefinitely withhold MGNREGS funds, Calcutta High Court said, asking why rural employment guarantee scheme stalled in West Bengal since 2022 should not be implemented prospectively. Division Bench of Justice T.S. Sivaganganam and Justice Chaitali Chatterjee directed Centre to submit affidavit explaining why the scheme Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme should not be implemented in all districts of state barring the four in which state nodal officer had admitted misuse of funds. Plain reading of provision reveals there cannot be permanent withholding of funds, the CJ observed, citing Section 27(2) of MGNREG Act. Rules allow union government to suspend funds to state pending an investigation, but also state that center should institute appropriate remedial measures for proper implementation within reasonable period of time. Bench also directed the state to file affidavit stating why unemployment allowance should not be given to people who have remained jobless for last 3 years as provided in MG Narega. The High Court gave 3 weeks to both center and state government to file their affidavits and posted matter for hearing on 15 May. Release of MGNREGS funds to Bengal have been withheld since 9 March 2022. Chief Justice Sivagnanam noted that both the stakeholders found misuse and defalcation of funds in four districts: Hooghly, East Burdwan, Malda, and Darjeeling GTA area. State said more than rupees 2.37 crore has already been recovered from four districts. Additional Solicitor General Ashok Kumar Chakrabarti submitted that central teams inspected MGRGS accounts in 15 districts, but Chief Justice said that documents available with court mention only four districts. He directed Centre to bring on record whether it had made similar recommendations for districts other than the four. Chief Justice also wanted to know what measures central government would take to implement scheme prospectively and why it should not be renewed in districts other than four where there had been misuse of funds. Bench then directed Centre to clarify how it proposed to use 2.37 crore already recovered and deposited in state nodal account of MGNREGS.